How to censor part of image in Picsart. Want to cover or hide a sensitive part of your photo? Here's how to censor in Picsart. First, open your image and head to the Tools section. Choose either Shape Mask or Draw, depending on how you'd like to cover it. For a solid censor block, pick the Draw tool, select black or white as your color, and paint over the area. Alternatively, use the pixelate or blur tool for a more subtle censor effect. Once satisfied, click Apply and save your edit. Do you prefer pixel blur or solid block for censoring? Let us know in the comments below. Lower the opacity slightly if you want to keep the area hinting through without being fully clear. And that's how you can censor part of image in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.